Alright, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, in this video we are going to be testing out what a Robotaxi Future actually looks like. So if you guys can envision a pretty advanced version of Summon, we're going to test out what it actually looks like. So here we go. We're going to actually call a car over and see what it's like for a robo driver to come get you. All right, so here we go. We got it coming. Interesting. Driving by itself here. All right. This should be interesting. All right, so we are gonna hop in the passenger seat. It's calling a car, you know, just like you would. And then let's see what we can get our Robotaxi to do. All right, so here we go. All right, so greetings, good afternoon. What's happening, Robo driver? Why don't you take me around the parking lot here while I decide where I want to go? So let's see what that looks like here. All right, so we've got the car officially driving itself. This is actually Smart Summon, and we're gonna see what that looks like. So just imagine all these cars, you know, with a flip of the switch come to life here, just like you saw I'm doing here with a button. And yeah, I think that's pretty incredible. So yeah, take a look at the new Model Y. So great. All right, so we're gonna see if this can actually take me around. But yeah, you just pretty much, you know, put in your destination where you want to go, the mall or whatever, and go get some coffee. And you know, you can just sit in the passenger seat like you see here, or in the back seat. I could have actually hopped in the back seat. But of course more space in the passenger seat here. And yeah, we can see the car is driving itself. Pretty amazing. Right now we call this Summon, but pretty soon maybe this is gonna be Robotaxi, who knows. All right, we're gonna see if the car can actually make it around. Yeah, let's see. I want to go a little further, car. Right now, of course, it's limited, you know, to your like 180 feet, I think, radius, something like that. And yeah, imagine I don't have to press the button, which right now I am pressing the button. But that's so cool. And in the land of Teslas over here, you can just picture what this is gonna look like. It's gonna be pretty incredible. Yeah, so with a flip of the switch, no more Uber. Just gonna be calling cars just like this. And yeah, hopefully then, you know, you could just sort of plug in your destination where you want to go, and then boom, it's gonna take you just like that. So yeah, can envision what this future is gonna look like. I think it's pretty awesome. Yeah, thanks again for watching and have a great day.